Hello everyone, welcome back to Deepcodr. We are back after some time with another interesting video to show how to deploy a React application in the production with the help of the S3 bucket. Yes, there are many ways you can deploy the React application in the production, but today we are going to see how to deploy React application on AWS with S3 bucket. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So now we are in the editor. Let's run the project and let's see how the application works. So we'll start it by npm start and our application got started. So this application is basically a simple application that has two roots. One is /your name, so it will give the output as hello your name, then welcome. The another root is /copy. So this one has a API call that retrieves a random copy list from the API. So that's it, that's our application that we are going to deploy in the S3 bucket. So now we will build the production build using the npm run build. So this will create a folder with the static files required to deploy the React application. So let's run npm run build, and that's it. We can see our build folder has been created. Yeah, we can see that our files has been created successfully. The static folder is also there, which will contain the static files. So now let's open this build folder and run it as a static website. So let's open this one in the editor, and we have the index.html. So let's open this one and then we will start the live server. And as we can see, we have got the application running, and we have the same two roots running successfully. Yes, the previous root will not give the name because we are running it as a static website. That we can handle in the S3 bucket. Now let's go to the S3 console in the AWS. Let's create the bucket. So we will keep some settings as default. So bucket type will be a general purpose. We will give the unique name to the bucket. So probably we will give it as React Hello World. Then the most important thing is to allow this public access, but we will come to it later. So we have given the name, we have ACL disabled, and we have to remove this check mark because our objects in the buckets will be public. Then accept this checkbox. Then let's come down, advanced settings. We don't want the object lock. So that's it. I guess it is pretty fine for hosting the bucket. So let's create the bucket and let's see whether it is creating. Okay, the name is not unique. So let's give it as something like React Hello World, and let's check again. Probably it is also not accepting. So okay, we will give it as Deepcodr React Hello World. And that should work fine. Yes, our bucket got created. Let's go inside this one. And let's upload the folder that we have created earlier, the build folder. So first we will add all the files that are present inside this folder. So let's select all and let's upload. And then there is a folder called static that also we are going to upload. So let's select that one and click on upload. So it is saying upload all 7 files. Yes, we want that. And that's it. we have all the files in the build folder. For permission, we don't want any other permission, so let's keep it as it is. Properties also, we will keep it as it is only, because we don't want any other storage class or some other options required for this one. Let's click on upload, and we can see that it has started uploading the files. Let's wait for it to complete. Yes, it is succeeded. Let's close this one, and we have all the objects in our bucket. Now let's go to the properties and let's come down where there is an option called static website hosting. Let's enable this one, and in the index document we will specify the name of the index.html file. That's it. And let's click on save changes. Okay, let's go down again, and we will get the link to our static website, and we can see that we have got forbidden error. Yes, because we have not yet added the policy to access the objects. So let's go to the permissions and edit the bucket policy. Let's go down, and we have the option for the bucket policy. Let's click on edit. Then we will go to the policy generator. Okay, let's select the S3 bucket policy. The effect will be allow. Then principal will be star, which will allow all users to access the object. Then for the actions, we will select get object, because we want the access to the object. Then we will select the ARN of the bucket. You can find the ARN in the properties in the bucket overview section, or you can directly copy it from the policy editing page. Okay, that's it. Now let's add the statement here and generate the policy. So we will add this one. Okay, let's check it again. We have all the things correct. Let's click on generate policy, and we got our policy. Let's copy this one and paste it in the edit policy page. And one thing we have to add, that /star, which will allow access to all the objects inside the bucket. That's it, and we will save the changes, and our policy got updated successfully. Now let's go to our link of the static website again in the properties, and let's open it again. And yes, we got our website running this time. Let's go to our root /your name. I will specify my name. Oops, and we got 404. So to fix this one, let's go to the static website hosting and edit this one. So we have to specify the error document, which will be index.html only. So after this one, let's click on save changes. And our website got edited successfully. Let's refresh the page. And now it should give the correct response. So we got our expected page. Let's go to the coffee link. And we got our coffee list successfully. So why we were getting that error? Because our React application is a single page application. So while static hosting, for the other routes it will try to search the document in the bucket, but we don't have any other pages. So that is why we have to reroute the request to the same page, that is index.html. So that's it for this video. So we have successfully deployed the production React application to the S3 bucket. So there are more things that we can configure, like cloudfront distribution, which will provide caching and other features. And yes, all the things that we did in the video can be done with the DevOps pipeline, but that's the topic for another video. I will see you in the another interesting video or tutorial. Till then, keep deploying.